Alright, good evening everyone. My name is Oluwatosin, and as usual I'll be giving us a tip to making our access database looking a little bit more modern. So today I will be showing us how to create a sign-up form for your database. You know the essence of a sign-up form? A sign-up form will enable you to add as many users as possible to the user table, so that whenever your users want to log in, they will use the credential inside the tables to be able to log in. For example, you are using this table called user. You have the user ID, email address, username, the password, and the date created. By now you'll be able to create a simple table like this. There is nothing critical, nothing special about this, just a normal table. If you check it in the design view, you can user ID, email address, username, password. The date created is the only thing that is a little bit different, because the default value there is now, so that whenever you add a record to it, the date automatically updates to the exact date and time that record is created. So that being said, I'll dive right into the sign up form. So what I want to do now is to go to this create and click on blank form or form design, so that it comes like this. Alright, so let's just put in place all the controls that we'll need first. You click on this label, and then the first one I need is this sign up. Okay, let it be like this, and then let's centralize it. Go to format and let's centralize. Okay, watch me clearly the way I size up. Okay, I'll go to form design. Also I had this text box, so this is the size of my text box. So what I like to do, I like to position my text box just, the label for my text was just above it like this. Okay, so alright, so let me just highlight this one and then arrange the size. I will choose widest so that it will have the same width. Alright, I'll select this one. I'll Control C, Control V. So let me move this one down a little bit. There is email address, username, password, confirm password. I think that's all. Okay. So after that one, we'll be needing a sign up button. Create, form design. Select it and just try it like that. Click on cancel. I'll still arrange them widest. Let me just reduce this one first, then align together to widest and align them to the left. Okay, so change the label of this one to email address, username, password, confirm password. Alright, so for now let's see what we've done so far. You see? Alright, so let's go back to our design view. So let's sign up. Alright, so what we want to do now is, let me give this form let me make it a pop-up form. Come to this form properties, change it to yes. So it should be a pop-up form now for now. Alright, it's a pop-up form, so let me reduce this size, it's too big. Just like this is okay for now. All right, what you want to do is, whenever you click this sign up form, this sign up button, you want it to add a record here based on what you have in these fields, right? Okay, so let's dive right into it. You don't have much time. So what you want to do is click on this So first of all, let me rename all these controls. Let me call this one txt email, this one txt username, this one txt password, and then this one txt confirm password. This one I like it to call it btn sign up. All right, so you click on this btn sign up, you go to event, on click, that means whenever you click on this button something should happen. On click on the button, select event procedure, and then click on this three dot to take you to the code builder. All right, here if you look at this very well, I want this to be showing. Okay, whenever you click on that button, you want a record to enter these fields, this email address, username and password, because automatically this user ID generates by default is auto increment also. Yes, so whenever you click on this button, you see btn sign up underscore click. So whenever you click this button, I want something to happen, I want it to run this SQL. So do command dot run SQL. So let's write an SQL to insert a record here based on what you have in the form. Insert into, what is the name of the table? The name of the table is user. Then the name of the columns or fields that I want to insert values to. I want to insert to email address, username and password. Email address, username and password. Okay, then the values that I want to insert. So the values will be coming from the form. The name of the form, I will name the form sign up. So I'll be referring to the form here. So forms exclamation mark sign up exclamation mark. Then the name of the first field there, that will be email address. txt email dot value, comma, which one again? Username of forms sign up form txt username dot value, comma, then the last one forms exclamation mark sign up exclamation mark txt password dot value. Sorry. Okay, I think those are the three values that I want to insert. So I will close the bracket and then semicolon and a close quotation. All right, so whenever I click this button, this SQL should run. So let's save it. We're going to save the form now as sign up, just as I've written here, sign up. All right, so let's see and let's check if it runs. You see, as I click, it's adding a record there even though it's blank. So let's add something. So let's refresh. You see, as I'm clicking now, it's adding the record here. So but now what we want to do is to put a condition to what we are doing. All right, the first condition we want to add now is to check if any of these fields are empty. That's the next thing we want to do now. So let's say if is now me.txt email or is now me.txt username or is now me.txt password or is now me.txt confirm password. Then it means if any of these fields are null, then nothing should happen. Else you should run this SQL. So if all of these or any of these are null, nothing should happen. Else you should run this SQL. So let's end our if here. And if. Alright, let's try. So let me erase this one and then click. You see, you see nothing is adding up. So alright, so instead of nothing happening, let's put a message box here. Message box, please insert value in all fields. Let's say VB information. Yeah, let me title it not null error. Okay, so let me save it and run it again. You see, it's returning the message box because this one is null. So let me fill it and click. You see, so let me refresh. It has added now. So we have checked for blank. So what else can we check for? Let us also check if the password and the confirm password is the same, if it matches each other, and if it does not match. So all right, if all of this is not null, then you should check for something else. Let's check for else if main.txt password.value is not equals to main.txt confirm password.value, then something should happen. Let's say message box, msg box, password and confirm password does not match. It's a VB critical. Yeah. All right. So if it checks for null and none of them is null, it will move to this one. It will check if the confirm password and the confirm password and the password matches. If it does not match, it will return this message. If it matches, then it will run this SQL. So let's see. You see, it does not match. So let's see. It's not adding any value. All right. So let's put a matching value. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one 1, 2, 3, 4. You see, it has added the value. So let us put a message box here to let's say message box account successfully created. Good. I added this space just to make our message box big, or else it will be very, very tiny. So let's see. Account successfully created. You see? So 2 times now. Let's refresh. You see? Fine. So we have checked for email. We have checked for null value. We have checked for matching value between password and confirm password. So I think all right, I'm out of time. I want this video to be as short as possible, so I'll leave it to 15 minutes. But in my next video, I will be continuing on reinforcing the form. For example, I'm going to confirm if the email address already exists in the database, and I'm going to mesmerize, touch the font so that it will look very beautiful, unlike this Jabedega something. So please don't forget to subscribe and like the video and comment if you have any question. I will definitely answer your question, and please subscribe and share. Thank you.